Happy Monday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic with your Monday tip of the week. After doing several nutrition consults, one of the biggest things I see that people can improve upon so far is just cooking with the right oil, right? We may be thinking we're doing the right things and cooking with the right things because it says heart healthy on the bottle, low in cholesterol, no cholesterol, a lot of unsaturated fats, low in saturated fat. I don't know. There's so many different mismarketing labels out there. And what we're finding, or what I'm seeing, is a lot of our diets are high in omega-6 fatty acids rather than omega-3 fatty acids. Why is that a big deal? Well, because when we have high omega-6, it creates more inflammation in your body, right? Without even doing anything. So a lot of people come to me, well, I'm not doing anything different. I'm trying to eat healthier. I'm using this oil. I'm using these foods. And we're cooking with the wrong oil. The wrong oil is soybean, safflower, sunflower, canola. These are all highly processed oils that it takes a lot of effort to get oil out of that seed. And that is not good. That is when you're intaking this oil, especially when you're heating it up higher, it's going to be doing more damage to the inside of your body, creating this inflammation in your body. So, what to look for is actually oils with lower smoke points, that being coconut oil. You can have ghee, grass-fed butter. Now, I know some of those aren't oils, but it's definitely a healthier option to cook with because it is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which is very, very good for your body, very good for your brain. Now, a lot of people are saying, well, those are high in saturated fats. Well, that's true, right? Because, if you remember one of the last videos I did on cholesterol, they're trying to correlate cholesterol and saturated fat together. Well, now they're finding that all these omega-3 rich fatty acid, type, the oil, the butter, all these healthy butters, it has to be grass-fed or ghee or coconut or avocado, even extra virgin olive oil, right? They're high in saturated fat, but it's good saturated fat. Actually helps out your cholesterol. So, I just want you to know that, hey, there's other options. I know some of this stuff may be a little bit more expensive, but again, the cheaper is not always better. Be careful when it says heart healthy or, low in this and low in that, because, there's always something that they aren't telling you. So make sure you're looking out for that stuff next time. If you guys have any questions, hopefully this helps clear some stuff up for you. Check your oils out. I know coconut oil can give you that different taste in your food. So if you're not a big fan of that, try ghee or grass-fed butter or avocado oil. Avocado oil is still getting up there a little bit higher, but still a lot healthier than those other alternatives. And then checking on your food as well. So when you're looking at food, it can be a lot of soybean oil or sunflower, safflower oil. So check the back of your nutrition labels and your ingredients to make sure you're eating with the right healthy food. So again, if you have any questions, post them below. Love to hear from you guys. Have a great Monday.